Welcome to the 2020 GMC Terrain SLT. The SLT Terrain is powered by a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and mated up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the GMC Terrain SLT, we have power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, height adjustable trunk release, automatic headlights and fog lights, a leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, forward collision warning, 34,124 kilometers on the odometer, push button ignition. We do have a nice large 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with navigation, dual zone climate control. We have the gear selector there as well. Our heated seats, 4-wheel drive dial there with lane keep assist, all black interior with the Bose audio, as well as we do have the leather heated SLT seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC SLT Terrain, we do have the 19-inch wheel and tire package, beautiful alloy wheels. With the Hankook all-season tires, we have color-matched door handles with keyless entry, OEM GMC running boards on a Terrain. We have the color-matched mirror caps with the LED strip coming down to the front, LED daytime running lamps and turn signals, fog lights. We have the SLT grille making our way back down the side. Rear tinted privacy windows, and the vehicle is equipped with remote start. At the back of the SLT, you do have your dual chrome exhaust tips for parking sensors, LED brake lights, height adjustable power trunk with a backup camera, and your Terrain all-wheel drive badging. Jumping into the interior here, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready. Seats fold down in a 60/40, giving us super easy access to the trunk. We have the OEM rubberized mat for the protection of the back of the seats. You do have a light colored headliner with a massive dual panel sunroof, LED lighting, dual USB ports, and the OEM rubberized floor liners installed. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the 2020 GMC Terrain. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.